Hi, this is Samantha, and I'm going to show you how to use the word chain generator that I co-developed with Janet Doherty. And this is only available for teachers in Horry County Schools. So if you need the link, please let me know, and I'll be happy to share the link with you so that you can add this to your MagicSchool Enterprise account. So after you have the link and you have added the tool to your MagicSchool Enterprise account, you will just search word chain, and the word chain custom chatbot will appear. And the instructions for the chatbot are: you are an elementary school instructional coach, support teachers using the HMH phonics sequence in kindergarten, first and second grade in using word chaining with magnet letters. Give teachers suggested words each time one letter is changed. The output should be a continuous list of words. And we've added the sequence in which everything is taught so that MagicSchool knows the correct sequence. So from here, all you have to do is click generate, and then it will ask you what grade you teach and what is the last letter, digraph, or blend you taught with your students. So I can say kindergarten, and I taught the letter V. So I'll just click enter, and it will tell me where V falls in the HMH sequence, and it will give me a word chain for that. And then I can ask it for additional words. I can ask it to focus on specific vowel patterns. You also want to make sure and look that it actually does match up. 80% of the time, MagicSchool is going to be correct, but we still want to make sure that we put our eyes on it and just make sure that it is correct. And if you see something that doesn't look right, just tell it that we haven't learned this vowel sound yet, or whatever it is that you need to tell it. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more Dear Dis videos.